So it's July 12th, 2026, and we're doing our walk here in Minnesota. We're in this lovely meadow looking for monarch butterflies, and I just saw one over here. It's a beautiful 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 27 degrees Celsius. Slight breeze, low humidity, beautiful, almost cloudless sky. You can hear the birds. A lot of wildflowers here. I bet you when we come back next week there'll be a whole bunch of monarchs. I just saw one, and now they have gone somewhere else. Ricky just has been rolling around in something, probably something dead. Ricky, no. Hey. I don't see anything. A meadow of beautiful flowers here. We're just about 15 minutes from the Mall of America, 15 minutes from the Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport. Walking in a city park where they kind of let it just grow natural, and then they just mow a little path here for us to walk. As you can hear, there's a lot of songbirds. There's probably some wild turkeys in here. You know, definitely fox, coyote, raccoon, possum. There's a dead tree, which, depending on the kind of tree, next spring there might be some mushrooms growing around the base of that. So this area is just left pretty wild. So there are monarchs, but they're kind of few and far between. So hopefully next week there will be more of them. This is all food that they like to eat. That's why they're here. They like milkweed pod. They like thistle. Things like this. There's one right there. I saw one just go into this clump of flowers right here, but I cannot see it. And I'm walking in the shade now, so the picture's kind of dark. As you can see, Minnesota this time of year, it's very green and lush. We have rain every couple days, and then we have nice warm days, so everything just grows and grows and grows. So we have black-eyed Susans. I don't know what these pretty purple flowers are. I have no idea. A lot of people talk about mosquitoes in Minnesota, but because we're technically in the metro area, in the Twin Cities, Minneapolis and St. Paul metro area, they have something here called Metropolitan Mosquito Control. So they spray for mosquitoes. They have helicopters that fly around and spray for mosquitoes. So I'm never really bothered by mosquitoes on these walks. So I never have to put on bug spray or anything like that. It's very nice. Okay. Well, thank you.